Hi guys, welcome to the video. You join me again at the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. I'm starting the day here at Levisham before heading down to Pickering. I'm waiting for a diesel service to arrive from Pickering before the service from Goathland. Sadly, with the sun high in the sky and the time of day, photography is proving a little bit tricky. I'm now looking down the line waiting for the steam train to arrive. Sadly, there won't be much in the way of any smoke when it does. Also, the grey post you see on the right hand side of the image is a little bit distracting, so what I'm going to do is zoom past that and take the image when the train is arriving underneath the signal. I may also wait until it's a little bit closer to the camera and take a series of shots and then try and crop the post out. I'm now at the crossing here at Newbridge, which is just outside Pickering, and I'm waiting for the next service to leave, which is going to be the diesel service. I'm going to wait for it to make an appearance, and then as it travels down the line I'm going to take a series of shots, choose the best one and let you have a look. To finish the day here on the North Yorkshire Moors Railway, I'm just outside the station here at Pickering. I've set up just by a level crossing along the railway line, and I've got a fence that I'm going to try and use as a bit of foreground interest. I'm waiting for another train to arrive from Levisham, and this time it will be a steam train. I was starting to think that today was going to be all diesel. Anyway, here comes a little bit of video footage and some more photos. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and please consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, take care, bye for now.